Okay, expert pro category. So nada doy bandigan. Ray Baitit. Madam Clau nada. Jibilim JC Pineda. So Michelin Rivera, Kimboy and Chano Flores. Muni managaan sa expert pro category. Heroin Lamitan City Basilan flat track competition. Amboy Aparcon and Zilo Leonardo. Start the engine. Ora, Kimboy na. Whole shot. Kimboy Pineda, the whole shot king.
Sino yung nauna?
Ray Baitit on second, Michelin Rivera on third, Jano Flores. Ayan, bakbakanay. Wow, Ray Baitit, grabe ka-power. Grabe kikuwas, Kimboy bay, outside bay. Ray Baitit na nakauna. Kimboy Pineda, Michelin Rivera, Jano Flores. I think it's Zilo Leonardo. Grabe kagahi, Ray bay. Ray bay. Zilo ikaw pat. Jano, GB, JC, Ambo, and Doy. Was hanay to the max sa flat track category. This is the battle of 10 laps. Ayan, Ray Baitit bay. Grabe kagahi bay. Ambog na kayo! Yan, Ray Baitit. Kimboy Michi. Zilo ikaw pat. Ikalima Jibilim. Ikaunom Jesse. Ikapito Doy Ambo and Jano Flores. Grabe kagahi, Ray Baitit bay.
Grabe flat track bay, kanda mo'y kurbada.
Wow.
Ray Baitit ang nauna. Okay.
Ray Baitit.
Grabe Ray Baitit. Fight number 181. Grabe bakbakan with
Kimboy Pineda, Michelin Rivera, Zilo Leonardo, ikaw pat. Ayan, battle of 50 Bilim versus Doy Bandigan. Wow! Doy Bandigan on fifth. Ray Baitit. Still Kimboy Pineda and still on the third. It's Michelin Rivera. Zilo Leonardo on fourth. Doy Bandigan, ikalima na. Jibilim, ikaunom. JC and Ambo. Still on the lead, Ray Baitit. Kimboy, Michelin, Zilo. Grabe, lakas, Ray Baitit. White flag for Ray Baitit. White flag. Ray Baitit, Kimboy Pineda and Michelin Rivera. White flag. Doy Bandigan.
Okay, Jibilim.
Checkered flag, Boy Ray Betit. Checkered flag.
Okay, Sika.
Second, Kimboy Pineda. Third, it's Michelin. And fourth, it's Gilo Leonardo. Checkered flag. Ikalima, it's Doy Bandigan. GC and Jibilim. Checkered.
Ayun.
Ambo.
Palakpakan natin.